Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of SmileDPT. The topic of today's video is what to expect during a dental cleaning appointment. Keeping good oral hygiene is essential for overall health. Regular dental cleanings are an essential part of fulfilling it, but for many people, going to the dentist can be nerve-wracking, especially if it's their first time. Today, we'll provide a comprehensive guide on what to expect during a dental cleaning appointment. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of dental cleaning. But first, let's address some common questions. How often should you have a dental cleaning? The general recommendation is every 6 months, but it may vary depending on your oral health. Is dental cleaning painful? It shouldn't be. You may feel some pressure or mild discomfort, but talk to your dentist about options if you feel anxious or have a low pain tolerance. How long does a dental cleaning appointment take? Mostly, it only takes about an hour, but it may vary. What should you do to prepare? Brush and floss your teeth before your appointment, and let your dentist know if you have any concerns or questions. Now, most scenarios are like this when you arrive for your cleaning appointment. First, you'll be greeted by the receptionist or dental assistant, who will check you in and take your medical history. Afterward, you'll be taken to the dental chair, where the dentist or dental hygienist will begin your cleaning. Here is the step-by-step procedure of oral prophylaxis as usual. 1. Examination. The dentist will examine your teeth and gums, looking for signs of decay, gum disease, and other oral health issues. They may use a small mirror and probe to check the areas between your teeth and gums. 2. Tartar removal. Tartar is a hardened plaque that can cause gum disease and other oral health problems. The dentist will use a scaler to remove any tartar buildup on your teeth. 3. Polishing. After the tartar is removed, the dentist will use a special toothpaste and polishing tool to clean and polish your teeth. They may also use a high-powered brush to remove any stains on your teeth. 4. Flossing. The dental hygienist will floss your teeth to remove any remaining plaque or food particles between your teeth. 5. X-rays. Your dentist may also take X-rays of your teeth to check for any underlying issues that may not be visible during the cleaning process. Now for some fun facts. Did you know that Egyptian Ra was the first person in recorded history to be explicitly called a dentist? He served pharaohs, and experts believe he also had an interest in general oral health. He's also known for his well-preserved tomb with colorful wall paintings and cedar panels. Also, the University of Maryland School of Dentistry is the world's first dental college, since its establishment as the Baltimore College of Dental Surgery in 1840. UMSOD has successfully upheld the aspirations of its founders, Doctors Horace H. Hayden and Chapin A. Harris. Are George Washington's dentures really made of wood? As contrary to later legend, none of it was true. He suffered from poor dental health throughout his adulthood, as he experienced regular toothaches, decay, and tooth loss. The dentures he used were made from animal and human teeth. He bought teeth from his slaves, as well as elephant and walrus ivory. Overall, dental cleaning is a vital part of maintaining good oral hygiene and preventing dental problems. By understanding the process and what to expect during a dental cleaning appointment, you can alleviate any concerns or anxiety you may have. Remember to brush and floss regularly and make sure to schedule regular dental checkups and cleanings to keep your teeth and gums healthy. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful to you and has provided you with a better understanding of what to expect during a dental cleaning appointment. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to speak with your dentist or dental hygienist. But what if you currently have dental braces or just received orthodontic treatment? You should know that it's crucial to understand the correct way to brush your teeth to ensure proper care while having braces equipped. You must watch this next video to know more. If you find this content helpful and will give you the courage to make a dental visit today, please follow us, share this video, and hit the like button.